Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. And friends, there is a big news which is coming here from TCS. So TCS NQT result will be published in another 2 to 3 days. Now TCS has started marking the status here, which you could see. So many of the student has got this batched status 14th of May 2025 4 p.m. I will tell you what exactly is this, and even you can see the college. So few of the college TPO has also received some information regarding the TCS NQT result. So more clarity will be definitely awaited, but I am going to give you uh, the clarity regarding your badge status, and definitely the result will be announced in another 2 to 3 days, even tomorrow also possible, day after tomorrow also it is possible. Let us talk more about it. Before that, friends, see, please like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any updates here. See, once you get selected, no, once you get a job, you unsubscribe, that is totally fine, but right now I don't want you to miss any update. Okay, so you should be aware about what is happening and you should not miss this selection mail. And also, friends, now the interview, for the interview you need to prepare. You will get hardly some 3 4 days to prepare for the interview once you get the email. So TCS interview material 2025 Ninja Digital Prime PDF plus video plus common live mock, the price is just 421 rupees. Lot of, see the previous year experiences, even the interview which was conducted the last year October. So all these interview experiences also has been covered here. Okay, so exam wise and then domain wise, everything. Okay, HR interview, technical interview, complete thing is covered. Friends, don't regret later. Already 80% effort you have put. Now this 20% effort here you have to put. I don't want you to regret later. 400 rupees is a very small amount. Okay, anyway, let us come back. Now, please try to understand. So, friends, the meaning of this batched status, right? So, many of the student and majorly 15th of March. So, the student who had given the exam on 15th of March in both the shifts. So, now they are able to see this batched status. Okay. For other people also, friends, the status will change. Okay, so you have to keep checking your next step portal. So where you will be able to check this, so you will be able to check this on your next step portal. You could see candidate registration is on 18th of Feb, application received 18th of Feb, and applied for drive 24th of February, and now candidate batched on 14th of May. Time is 16:08:48, and here you can see the again candidate batch time is 4:01 p.m. Okay, good. So let us try to understand. So what is the plan of this particular uh, batch status? And definitely will be the interview will be starting in another 2 3 days. So TCS NQT 2025 result will be soon published. Okay, within 2 to 3 days. Already TPO has received some information from TCS. There might be some impact on the number of hiring. So give your best. Number of hiring depends upon the project company has, or it is projected to the company. See, the thing is, because of this trade war, which is basically started by US. So now TCS, even their profit has gone down in this particular quarter. And so definitely there might be a chance that the number of hiring will be less. So you have to give your best. There is no compromise at all. You have to put 100% of your effort. So, what project you have done, your core subject, okay, your self introduction, each and everything will be playing a very, very important role. So if you get an interview call now, so sir, what is this batch status meaning? So if you get an interview call, so now, so here only you will be able to see next update, like download your, once the, even you will be getting the email, so you will be able to download the, where you have to basically the admit card for the interviews. Okay. So if you get an interview call, then definitely here your status will be bashed. That is 100% correct. Okay, but now if your status is bashed, it does not guarantee that you have qualified in the TCS written test and you will be called for interview. Okay, so you will have to wait for the email from the TCS, or maybe your college TPO will connect with you. So you need to wait, and then you will be also able to see on your next step portal. So right now, if your status is bashed, you do not be happy that you are 100% selected for the interview. Okay. But anyway, if you are getting an interview call later on, so definitely this has to be bashed. It is little confusing, but it should be very, very clear. So if your status is bashed, it does not guarantee that you have qualified the written exam, and you will be definitely called for the interview. Clear? Okay. But when the status, converts to bashed, okay, then there is a very good probability that you will be selected. Very good probability, but not 100% guaranteed. And after this status changed, so, within 2 to 3 days, generally, the result will be announced. But again, it depends upon the TCS. It might take some time. But TPO also has got the hints that the result, is going to announce soon, or they might have your data as well. So we have to see. Okay. So now, friends, as I said, because of this US trade war, so definitely there'll be some impact on the hiring. So you have to prepare and you have to give your best. Now, please ask yourself, are you ready for the interview? And can you get selected if they hire less number of candidate? So this question you have to ask. And I wanted you all to please comment, okay, in this comment section, that write your introduction. So introduce yourself. So that I want you to comment in the comment section, and that will tell that how much you are prepared for the interview. And also write the coding question which was asked in the written test, because during the interview they will ask you to solve the coding question, or they will ask you to write the logic of the coding question which you had got in your during your written test. Okay. And please do not forget to write your introduction and coding question in the comment section, and that's how we will tell you, okay, so how much you are prepared for the interview and how much you have to put the effort. But friends, I'm telling you, written is the main thing. So please don't regret later. So this TCS interview material 2025 Ninja Digital and Prime, that will definitely help you to get selected, because each and every expected questions we have covered: how to explain your project, okay, how to perform well in the interview, okay, so how you have to behave, each and everything here we have, what to do, what not to do. Okay, so your interview will be either in your college or some TCS center, so that we have to understand, and we have to, anyway, we will be informing you. So don't miss any information. This link is in, the course link is in description, and please do like the video and subscribe to the channel, so that we will see all these people which you could see, right? So they're selected in the TCS, and I wanted your photo also to be here, and you also get selected in TCS for digital and prime role. One more thing you remember, so if you are selected for prime and if your interview does not go well, you might be rejected also. There is no question of you will get digital or ninja, you might get rejected also. So friends, you have to prepare for the interview in such a way that you get some role in your dream company, TCS, right? So the link of this course is in description. Don't delay. So mock interview is very, very important. Start it from today itself. Thank you. Take care, and all the very, very